package from Disco Lemonade. I have been eyeing this dress since 2020. Trying to be very careful about opening this. Oh. She sent a little sticker. It's so adorable. Thank you. I got the dress and there is supposed to be some sleeves with it too. Oh my gosh. It's so freaking pretty. This took like a half an hour to put on, you guys, because there's so many straps on it. It's really pretty. I had to like kind of customize it a little bit, and then I created some overlapping on there because I am always too small to fit into clothing, and I refuse to send this back. I love it. And let's put on these armbands. These are awesome. She is amazing. Like, the design in these is absolutely incredible. And then once the light hits, it's going to be all like black rainbow, which that's what I am. I am a black rainbow. Hey, here it is on. It's amazing. Amazing. I could honestly cry. I'm getting kind of emotional about how beautiful it is. It's so beautiful. I love it. It's amazing. I cannot wait to wear this in my photo shoot and to raves and, you know, just around the house, you know, just living my little fairy dreams. Hope you guys enjoy this unboxing, and definitely go check out Disco Lemonade. She makes some of the most intricate and incredible looking dresses, and then she has like little petite dresses, and go check her out. She's amazing. Mwah. Bye.